Just a little background, I'm very passionate about what I do, so everything that I put my effort into, I go above and beyond. A plus is where you want to be, right? As a student, you want to be an A plus student, no matter what it is. You want to keep achieving and striving to be the best you can be. All right, so entrepreneurship, open to creativity. I'm sure all of you have creative ideas and different ways of looking at things, and so you have to collaborate with other people, right? It's not a competition, it's a collaboration. We should all be working together, and we should be achieving the same type of goals, right? Whether you might do something different than somebody else, you're still going to the end result. You're still trying to be great. You're still trying to accomplish something. So, imagination, right? That goes hand in hand with creativity. You have a great imagination, you're creative, but then you have to have motivation to drive that. Without motivation, none of it happens, right? So you have to have that result inside of you. You already have to know inside of you that it's there for the taking. And you have to go for it. It's in front of you and you have to go for it, right? And perseverance. I live by this. That is one of the most important things you can do is persevere every single day of your life. Just keep moving forward. You're going to have, roadblocks. You're going to have challenges, trials and tribulations, but you keep moving forward. It's just a roadblock. You're going to hop it. You're going to go around. You're going to figure a way to get through that, and you'll accomplish your goals. And you keep pushing forward. And networking and connectivity. That's what we're all doing today, right? All of us in this room right now, we're all connecting. We're networking. So you guys should all be doing it at your age. And as you get older, it just becomes second nature, right?